guy's looting and there's literally people right here.
Down below. Where that hornet is.
This seems like a
Where that hornet is?
This guy right here.
Down there.
Seems like a full raid.
Is this flashlight on?
I'm shot from behind. On me, on me, on me! I need help.
Down there.
Yeah.
How does that hit, bro? It's bullshit.
Hit him.
Ooh. Get him,
Get shot, dead. Oh my god, it's fucking domed him.
He just got doubled.
Push, push, push,
Find the
push.
bus.
I'm pushing. Behind me.
One dead.
Where's,
Right here.
Where's
Up there.
last?
I'm gonna get you!
Alright, get the high ground, get the high ground. It's still not safe. Yep.
Get
Hit! Hit! Down! Oh my
Dead.
god. Pushing. Left!
Alright, get the fuck
by the Grandioso apartments.
Nade out.
Over there.
Ow, you dumbass.
Another team? They're getting pinched. No, they're fighting a surveyor. What? They're scared of the surveyor. Hit down. Go. Drop. On them. Help! He's one shot.
Got him.
Give me your...
Surveyor here. We can blow it up.
I have a heavy grenade.
Okay, I'll throw a grenade and I'll crack it.
I have the heavy fuse grenade.
Sweet. It's right here.
Down there.
Wait, don't.
Here, I'll get mine ready.
Both of y'all throw. Okay, throw.
Right.
That was satisfying. That was really cool. Right here.
Down there.
I can't see.
Down one.
And the other. Nice. Good job. Oh yeah.
Ah, I'm hit!
You hit?
From the building. Our building.
Oh, 1 floor below.
Good shot at. He's going on the roof.
The ladder?
Yeah. He just went up the ladder.
Is he all the way up?
Yeah. We need to group up.
I can't really do anything about this ladder. Mark, if you go up, I can cover you. But I can't cover you unless you get up there.
No, but it's gonna be a death.
If they're all there, maybe, yeah.
Oh, on me!
I'm coming, Portal.
Dead?
To the left.
Look there.
Left.
A door.
Knocking this guy out.
Is it a spider? Okay, all dead.
Nice.
Yeah, good thing Val, I didn't go up there.
Yeah, okay, I didn't know they could just jump in like that. That's crazy.
A leaper. Down there.
Got it.
Where?
Right in the open, northwest! He just ran
By that
there.
building.
Right in the open.
He literally ran from here
Down
to
there.
here.
Down there.
I couldn't see him. There's a stupid, like, tree thing. How many? Do you guys have any extra heavy ammo?
Yes. I have
Heavy ammo.
Alright, I'll stay here again.
On me.
He's up there. He knows he's up there. Do you want to do like a snitch scanner?
No. Dude, what is your obsession with snitch scanners? They're just not that good.
Come on, bro. It's a fun gimmick. Oh, he's up. Oh, got him.
Out there.
Is it a teammate?
Oh, he shot at me.
Ping?
I see him right there.
Down there.
Yeah, up there.
Crack?
Behind me. On me.
Dark?
I'm dropping below you guys.
There's two teams here.
He's cracked. Right here, right here.
There's a whole other team. There's two
I'm backing
teams
up,
over there.
backing up.
Dark, call it. We're gonna ditch. I think there's two or three teams here.
There's one guy down below where I was.
Raider. There.
Hit. Down.
Nice.
Another far.
Raider. Over there.
He's running. Another here.
Raider.
Down. Oh my
Nice.
god. We just double tapped him. He's dead, bro.
There's another one.
There's a whole other team that I think hit Dark.
Oh shit! In the building, right below you guys.
They went in. You saw one or two?
One that was shooting at me.
Should we jump down?
No. Who's this? Is this guy down?
Yeah, he's down.
Okay. I think it's just one more. I think we can kill them. The other team left.
There's one guy directly. You guys are
Let's push together, guys. Or with him.
Okay.
Let's find this guy.
To lure him out.
right here.
Raider. Over there.
He's one.
Dead! Dude,
Over here. Another.
whole other team.
Yeah, on ping.
Down there.
I see him.
Danger. Over there. Down there. Raider. Over there.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
There.
He's on me. Push to the right.
The water facility.
In the middle, on the left.
Dark, did you call that?
No.
I got him. Wait, he just shot a grenade launcher at me. Shoot the drone. What the hell is that? Is that another leaper? Careful, Dark. You're running right to the leaper. Oh my god.
Should I blow it up?
No. Let's do it.
Anarch orbiter en route. Safe
No,
windows
we don't have any cover.
I have
10 minutes to get out of there. I repeat, 10 minutes.
I'm encumbered. I like a lot. Oh my god. You did that.
No, don't shoot.
Fine.
Wow.
Like that ain't any louder. What gun are you using?
The whole crack. Like the best.
Loot up, boys.
gun.
Like, you need more motion cords or no?
Yeah. Alright, get over here and open this thing.
Wait.
I'm opening it. Uh-oh, Dark's gonna get left behind. If my character could actually get up this fucking rock, bro. Oh my god.
Encumbered. Sounding fucking slowly.
I have an apricot. Or do we have room for one Arc 60?
No. I have a Combat Mark 1. I have no space.
I'll take it.
I honestly do not. Yeah, I know. Right here.
Raider.
They're going down the hill.
My
We could
game-
pass them, but we're shooting them. We're going to murder everyone. He just threw a wolf pack. He wasted a wolf pack.
What? He just threw a
We
wolf
need to
pack
kick
at an
that.
inn.
Dead
Huh?
raider in front of us. Dead raider in front of us.
Okay.
Yeah, right here.
Raider player.
Right here.
Down there. Down there.
Okay,
Raiders,
closer,
there.
closer.
Oh, we got a
there.
raider.
Oh, they see. Yep. Hit! Flush, down,
Dead.
go!
Right here.
Ping! I got grenades.
Right here.
Down there.
He's running.
Whoa, baby, let's go!
He's not dead. He's not dead. Nice. Another one.
Down one.
I found him. Oh my god! I just sniped him.
I'm looking at 5 dead.
Yo, who wasted that wolf pack? That is a war crime.
Somebody just healed.
Yep. Over here to the left. He's one shot.
Is this another squad?
Maybe. I just dumpstered that guy though.
Oh yeah,
Is it-
smoke grenades.
He said I was seeing if you're friendly. He just heard like World War III happen.
You just saw like 6 players go
I don't
up.
think we're
Friendly, my
friendly.
fucking
Hey, did we
It's a
loot all these
graveyard.
guys?
No, we haven't looted
Dude,
anything.
we just executed a whole family of like, we executed 2 families that were having a feud.
Just, oh my god.
This guy's got olives.
I was
zip
seeing
line.
if you were friendly,
Hit up
bro.
the
I
raid.
Dude, we just killed a million different people.
could. Here, do you want this burletta?
Home at the fragrant hatch.
Do you want the burletta?
Sure.
Here, Ben.
Yeah.
Oh, team!
Down
Down there.
Crack! Light shield. Throw a grenade. Ping,
Alright.
please, ping.
Raiders over there.
Crack to right.
Raiders there.
We got it.
Snitch!
I got it.
No, you didn't.
What? Never mind.
Okay, run.
Push.
I want the high ground. Can't get up there. Okay, great. Yeah, we've got drones on us. Kill the drones.
On me. Crack. Dead.
Smoke.
Trying to look for the drones.
Crack in the field.
Over there.
Fucking drone, dude.
I got it.
What the hell is that?
Move forward. They're healing. They're recharging right now.
Up. More people on the right.
Need help. On me. Got 2. 1 down.
One down.
There's people
Left.
on the right.
Another team.
There.
Left. Another team. Hold on. Back up. Head east. Full east.
Yes.
Raiders.
They're gonna have to deal with that raider. Fuck!
He's dead. He's cracked. The guy that shot you.
Okay, I'm healing.
He's up
They're pushing.
Yep.
Danger close. Let's go.
Last round.
Raider. The ruined homestead.
Hey, we gotta fix the fighter.
I killed one.
Go. He's hurting bad.
Grenades. Throw grenades.
I've got nothing. Right.
Raider.
We got freaking drones on me.
On me.
You guys over
Close.
here?
Fuck. Help.
He's cracked.
Down. No. Ow, what?
Where?
Dead.
One. Dead.
No. Yes. Save Alan. Save Jan.
Hey,
Oh, I'm dead. On the left. Northwest.
Ping. Oh, it's a whole different team. I'm dead.
Smoke. Did you think?
Yes. No! Dude, it's like 4 times. It is literally, dude.
And
Hornets.
Man, shooting thing on.
Interesting.
Just keep spawning shit on us, bro. Yeah, there's the beam. You see it?
There.
I don't think I'm gonna reset, brother. The highest level ain't gonna be 75 anyway.
Nah, do it. It's worth it. You get kind of stash space and skill points.
Yeah. You right. Like a prestige.
Yeah. I'm almost done with the reset. Or I can't even do it.
Oh, up.
Danger. There.
Oh, he's hit. Mediums.
Look up.
He's kind of
Danger.
close.
One's up.
Yeah, there's two. Here. Not down? Okay. On me, hurt.
Up here.
Down one. Down through the smoke. Down. I'm down.
Yeah, you did everything.
Wardle, I just hit like 6.
This one broadcast.
Hurt heal.
Enemy
This side.
information building.
Still left?
Like now.
Yeah.
You ain't know who you fucking with.